Hello YouTube, it is albviral over here. In our YouTube channel you will find different videos regarding FRP, such as the latest one on Samsung's, and also regarding the T-Mobile Removal devices, Oppo, Realme, etc. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock FRP on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including S24, S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, and all S24 devices. The chipset Qualcomm and Exynos both are supported, so it should be Android 14 on the release, but you can upgrade it up to Android 16. This video is about Android 16. We're gonna use a tool called TFM Tool, this one. So if you don't have it, if you don't own it, and you don't want to purchase it, you can rent it for 2 hours on this website. It is a trustful one. And after purchasing, you can reach them on WhatsApp or on email. Okay, let's get back to the video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the tool right now. It is called TFM Multi-Tool. It will take a few seconds to run. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna sign in, and once you sign in with this, let me make it full screen as you see. Okay, now on the left you see the one option that says choose your brand. You're gonna click on that one and you're gonna select Samsung, and on the second option select model number. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna select Android 16 FRP. Okay, it is important on the Samsung configuration you need to do it MTP mode. It is important to do it like that, and after that go to operations, the second one, and click on reset FRP Android 16. Okay, so once you click on that one, the device should be connected and in normal mode. Also, don't forget to be connected to Wi-Fi. Once you click on the reset FRP Android 16, the software will read the information of the device. In my case, it is S24, so it is a model S921W, and it is running on Android 16. Just like I told you, you need to make sure that your device is currently running on Android 16 before using this option. And if it is not on Android 16, so if it is on Android 14 or 15, what you will need to do is you will need to upgrade using Odin, and after that you will be able to use the tool same as I'm doing. So in order to get it done, the device might restart several times. As you see on my computer, it disconnected and reconnected again because the device restarted. Okay, and the last step, it is unlocking FRP, and it says okay. So the FRP has been unlocked successfully, and the device should actually reset the phone, but in my case it failed to open port for the reset. But still, everything is good to go because the FRP is unlocked successfully. If it didn't work on the first try, you can just redo it again and everything will be okay.